Hello, hello, hello. Exquisitely yours. Welcome to my video today. This is one of my first that I plan to upload to YouTube. So I'm going to have some little helpers help me create my business page, a YouTube channel, Exquisitely Yours. So today I wanted to unbox. This will be my first unboxing on video of one of my equipment. Um, I have two Cricut makers. I have the regular Cricut Maker and I have a Cricut Maker 3. However, in discovering doing print and cut, the Cricut software does not allow you to cut larger than a 9.25 by 6.75, I believe. And if you do t-shirts, you know that when you do large, extra large, and plus sizes, that is not a big enough print on the actual shirt. So I started researching. Of course, I'm not yet ready to dive into DTF printers and all those other printers. So I had to stick with what I can afford, first of all. So the Silhouette is a machine that will allow you to print and cut in a larger space. So that when I do those designs on the larger t-shirts, it will look better. So I have actually had this for a couple of days, dying to get into it. So let's go ahead and cut into the box. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm actually on my lunch break right now. I should be in there eating, but I want to try this out. And let me just show you, I don't know if I can reach it, but these are just some boxes with some excess materials. Anytime I cut, I save my scraps because you just never know where you have a small thing to do, and I want to make sure that I get all the use out of all of my materials. But let's see, I'm in a little tight space right here just so I could do this video, but I did want to show you. All right, so print and cut. These are some t-shirts I have to make right here. But this is one design right here that I did print and cut with my Cricut Maker. And as you can see, the design, I did have to shrink it a little bit. It still looks nice and will look perfectly on a medium. And it may look fine on a large shirt as well, but I want it a little bit bigger. And this is after I've, weeded around and got that. So this is what the product will look like once I press it on the shirt. But still, I'm not 100% satisfied. This may look better on a medium or a small. The design should be a little bit longer. So I will be able to redo this design with the Silhouette. I know some people say that the software is not as user friendly as the Cricut design space. But I am thankful that I am computer literate, so it shouldn't be too bad to learn it. So I'm going to stick this here out of the way. And y'all have seen this before. This was baby blanket bib that I made without a pattern. I've showed y'all this. And then this shirt, this is one that I am working on. I've finished with the shirt, but I'm actually going to do embroidery on the hat to match the design of the shirt. So more to come with this. Different colors, different styles. So all of you that like to wear tennis shoes, have the different color tennis shoes, this can be done up in different colors. Anywho, so we have, looks like instruction manual. Oh wow. So it's an actual guide, Silhouette guide to Cameo 4, getting started like a pro. beginner's guide, heat transfer guide, Facebook groups, 30-day membership. So it's some different little things here that came with this package. So I'll take a look at that. Of course, you know, sometimes we think we can just jump right into opening up equipment without reading the instructions and the how-to manuals. Well, because this is my business, I will be reading these materials because my name is attached to this. So let's see if I can pull this out of this box. It's a little on the heavy side. So I'll let that drop down over there. So this right here, like I said, it's the Silhouette Cameo 4. They have a couple, and please note that this is something that I purchased. I'm not getting paid for this. This is something that I just wanted to do. So I selected the Silhouette Cameo 4 here. Wow, this is cool. So this has auto tool detection, matless cutting with select materials. It has a built-in roll feeder. That's exciting because with the Cricut, I actually had to pay for that separately so that you could do the smart materials. Increase speed and power. So let's open this up. And of course, if you are going to purchase a machine, I always say get your money's worth. Look at purchasing bundles, and that's what this is, so that you can have some extra materials. I believe this is vinyl, which I have a ton of vinyl already. That's not heat transfer vinyl. I think this package, small package, is heat transfer vinyl. So this is more vinyl transfer paper, so that if you all want car decals, window decals, I've already done a couple with my Cricut software, but let's see. Their weeding tool, they call it a hook. There are sketch pens. I'm kind of excited. I have a ton of pens already that came with, well, they didn't come with my Cricut. I bought like every tool that goes with Cricut. I bought it because I want to be able to have at my disposal whatever. If a customer says, hey, can you make me a personalized card? I want it in this color. I have it. So we will try this out to see what this is all about with the Silhouette. And they have a scraper tool here. And then the USB. I'm not sure what these other little things are, but again, I will see when I get off of my main job. Comes with the power cord. And I guess this is a cutting mat. Definitely a little different than Cricut, so we will see what that is all about. The software is silhouetteamerica.com, so I have not seen what the software looks like for Silhouette. I've watched a couple of videos, and the people that use it, there is a free version. Of course, I pay for Cricut Access because when I order stuff, I believe in a discount. All right, let's see how I can get this machine out so that we can see this wonderful machine. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I am like too excited. And I'll have to show you guys the difference in the shirts. All right. It's got a little weight to it. I'm not sure how many pounds. Let's see how I can. Wow, the box is coming loose. That's not good. Packaging. Alrighty, so we have that, and let's take the little wrapping off. And then voila, we have our silhouette. So this does have a little weight to it here. So normally my table is up against the window, so for me to work. So this is the silhouette. I'm just gonna pull this off. So this is the silhouette here. Wow. So there's a lot of different tape and everything in here to hold everything in place, I guess, during shipping. So I do want to read up on this. Looks like there's a cutter, vinyl cutter, because I have with my Cricut, when I'm measuring out my vinyl, I use this to cut it and place it on the sticky mats for cutting. So this apparently has a built-in cutter. So we will see what this is all about. So thank you so much. I will be loading more videos to come as I continue to build my business. Again, I do t-shirts, embroidery. Not sure that you can see my embroidery machine. I have a lot of t-shirts, various sizes, various colors. I also sew baby blankets, and these can be personalized as well. And I also do rhinestone shirts. So I have lots of different colors in rhinestone. So I do rhinestone shirts also. So there's a lot with the business. Feel free to reach out to me. Currently, I do have a Facebook page, Exquisitely Yours. Again, I do plan on branching out with my business to other social media outlets, as well as a YouTube channel. So stay tuned for the growth. Exquisitely Yours. Have a blessed day.